here we go again, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. It is now time to watch your favorite show. So quickly find your cords. I hope it is untangled today. And as you do, always choose your favorite corner in your home. And the most important thing, choose and find something to munch on. Pause the video right now and go get something to eat, as we will be waiting for you. So now that you're back, thank you for promptly coming every morning to watch our show. सुबह होते ही आपका दूध वाला आए ना आए, आपका पेपर वाला आए ना आए, हम जरूर आएंगे. जरा YouTube खोलकर देखने की बारी है, क्योंकि वादा किया है तो निभाना पड़ेगा. I know you have had a wonderful week, as we have seen many glorious matches unfold in front of our eyes this week. So now that the weekend vibe have kicked in, आपके संडे को फन डे बनाने के लिए मैं आ गया हूँ फिर से अपनी टोली लेकर टिच टाइम पे, इस शो पे जिसका नाम है सॉफ्ट सिग्नल. आई एम श्रीजीत अय्यर एंड दिस इज एपिसोड नंबर 16. इस साल का आईपीएल भी बड़ा कमाल है, क्योंकि हमेशा अच्छी करने वाली टीम क्वालिफाई होने के लिए तरस रही है, और जिन्होंने सालों से इंतजार किया है वो पॉइंट्स टेबल का ताज बनकर बैठे हैं. एक दावा में जरूर ठोक सकता हूँ कि आज की दोपहर कैसे निकलने वाली है आपको जरा भी अंदाजा नहीं लगने वाला है, क्योंकि आज का मुकाबला नॉर्मल मुकाबला नहीं, आज का महा मुकाबला होने जा रहा है. As Chennai Super Kings take on Bangalore's Royal Challengers today, we know it is the match between two Indian great captains. It is the match between the two teams having the most loyal fan bases. It is the match between the table toppers, and it is the match between yellow and the red. To double up the fun now, as we always do, we are joined with two excellent panelists, two great supporters of their team, two gentlemen, Shantanu and Shriraj are with us. Welcome to the show. Without any further delay, let's go to the very first round, which is called as रिश्ते में तो हम तुम्हारे बाप लगते हैं. So let's go to Shantanu first as a Rivaj. He is featuring second time in our episode. Shantanu, please tell us, why is your team रिश्ते में बाप?
तो मतलब बाप का बाप हो गया, क्योंकि most of the CSK players are old, so we are बाप का बाप. So that's one thing. Second thing is Devdutt Padikkal ka form and Virat Kohli ka form. Virat Kohli has always performed against Chennai well, so it's a threat for Chennai. Talking about death bowling, Harshal Patel is very good add to the team. The way he delivers his yorkers, and he is well supported by Kyle Jamieson. So I feel we have an upper hand over Chennai today.
चेन्नई को इन्होंने दावा ठोका है कि एटलीस्ट देवदत्त पडिक्कल और विराट कोहली को तो आउट करके दिखा हुआ है, ऐसा शांतनु का कहना है. सो श्रीराज के पास जाते हैं. आप प्लीज बताइए, आपकी टीम इस आरसीबी से बाप क्यों है?
सो श्रीराज, पहले मैच हारने के बाद सीएसके इज बैक इन देयर फॉर्म. You know, the top order batsmen like Faf, Raina, and Moeen Ali, the newcomer of CSK, they look pretty good and they're in good form. And the youngster Ruturaj Gaikwad, he's also back in his form. So the batting, we don't have any tension about our battings. And the two all-rounders, the most valuable players, like Sam Curran and Ravindra Jadeja, they are doing a fantastic job for the team. Like you can see Ravindra Jadeja everywhere on the field. When the ball is in there, Ravindra Jadeja is beneath it to catch it. And the bowling, in the bowling attack, the Deepak Chahar, he's continuously picking up wickets for his team. And the Lungi Nigiri is back into the bowling attack. So look, our teams looks just perfect. Last but not least, but the backbone, the captain pool of CSK, MSD. So under his captaincy, the team is on another level. We can see how he guides the players on field. So it's just, fantastic. And a team led by Bap will always be Bap. So we all know who's a Bap here. And one more thing I would like to add, कल के मैच हारने के बाद आरसीबी तुम रोना मत, ठीक है, क्योंकि तुम बाप से हारे हैं. इट्स ओके, प्रैक्टिस वेल ताकि तुम अगला मैच जीत सके. ऑल द बेस्ट.
अरे अभी ये मुकाबला बहुत ज्यादा कड़ा होने वाला है, क्योंकि हमने विराट कोहली और पडिक्कल को देखा, जो उनको आउट करना भी मुश्किल हो रहा था. उसके सीएसके के पहला मैच फाफ और ऋतुराज को भी आउट करना मुश्किल हो रहा था. देखना पड़ेगा किसकी पहले विकेट पहले गिरती है. अभी श्रीराज को मैं और एक क्वेश्चन पूछने वाला हूँ कि आपको क्या लगता है, कोई प्लेइंग 11 में चेंजेस होने वाला है?
नहीं, मुझे नहीं लगता कोई चेंजेस होगा, क्योंकि हम सब जानते हैं धोनी को ज्यादा चेंजेस नहीं लाते. सो आवर टीम विल बी सेम बिकॉज वी आर विनिंग.
सो इनको पूछना बनता है कि नहीं मुझे पता नहीं शांतनु को, पर फिर भी मैं पूछूंगा. 4 में से 4 मैचेस जीतने के बाद आपका कोई चेंजेस लगता है आपको होने वाला है मुंबई में?
No changes. We'll play with the same team.
It was a fantastic round, guys. Thank you. इस धमाकेदार फर्स्ट राउंड के बाद इट्स नाउ टाइम फॉर अस टू मूव टू द वेरी सेकंड राउंड व्हिच इज कॉल्ड एज राहुल. नाम तो सुना ही होगा. लेट अस मूव टू श्रीराज नाउ. हम उनसे पूछते हैं कि उनका राहुल नाम तो सुना ही होगा, प्लेयर कौन है, उनके टीम को कौन जिताने वाला है इस बार.
So Srijit, राहुल तो मेरा कल आज के मैच के लिए सुरेश रैना ही होगा, क्योंकि सुरेश रैना को 52 रन चाहिए to complete it 5,500 runs milestone. So he will play which we are looking forward to play and win us tomorrow's match because he's been in a very good form. And there are some other records. If he remembers, he need only 1 6 to complete it 206 and 2 4s to complete it 500 4s in IPL. So he will be my Rahul for today's match.
सीएसके फैंस बहुत चीयर करेंगे अगर सुरेश रैना ये सभी माइलस्टोन कल अटेंड करते हैं. तो हम सीधा शांतनु के पास जाते हैं. अभी उन्हें पूछते कि उनका राहुल नाम तो सुना ही होगा, प्लेयर कौन होगा कल के मैच में.
कल के मैच के लिए तो लाइक इट वुड बी डेफिनेटली विराट कोहली. एक्चुअली दिस क्वेश्चन शुड बी रिफ्रेम्ड टू कल के मैच के लिए राहुल कौन कौन होंगे, बिकॉज देवदत्त पडिक्कल फॉर्म में, ग्लेन मैक्सवेल फॉर्म में, एबी डिविलियर्स फॉर्म में, और विराट कोहली तो चेन्नई के खिलाफ खेलते ही है. तो इट्स डिफिकल्ट टू चूज, बट आई वुड गो विद विराट कोहली बिकॉज विद पास्ट रिकॉर्ड्स विराट कोहली हैज डन वेरी वेल अगेंस्ट सीएसके. सो आई एम बैंकिंग फॉर विराट कोहली.
एक जन मैच में लेके जाने वाले सीएसके के अगेंस्ट सभी लोग मारने वाले सीएसके को, ये शांतनु कहना चाहते हैं कि ये दिस वाज अ फैंटास्टिक राउंड. कल देखना है हमें कि कौन जीतता है ये कड़ा मुकाबला. Thank you so much.
कोई भी जीता तो भी श्रीजीत बाप तो बाप ही होते हैं.
Without any further delay, let's go to the third round, which is called as bouncers, wherein I'll put some difficult question to our panelists. Let's go to Shantanu right away. I'm going to ask you a question. That is, what are RCB doing right this season, as they have won 4 out of 4 matches, which they have not done in the last 13 years? What is different for RCB in this season?
Okay, so first of all, addition of Maxwell. I feel he's batting at number 4, which has pushed AB de Villiers to number 5. So it has brought a huge stability in batting for RCB during middle overs. So that's one of the plus point which I have noticed. And the second thing is about death bowling. Harshal Patel, he's excellent at bowling Yorkers. There might be few cases where he misses 1 or 2, but then he's one of the bowlers who has consistently bowled Yorkers. Not even Bumrah this season. I'm not seeing him bowling those Yorkers, but Harshal Patel is consistently bowling. So I feel the death overs which RCB used to pay a lot, used to get trashed. But this season, Harshal Patel has reduced that to considerable extent, and it has made job easy for Virat Kohli, and that's why they are table top at this point.
यहाँ वहां से कहीं से तो उन्होंने एक टीम जुटाने की कोशिश की. ये शांतनु का कहना है कि डेथ बॉलिंग उन्होंने अच्छी कर ली अपनी, और डेप्थ बैटिंग में उन्होंने अच्छी कर लिया. लेट्स गो टू श्रीराज नाउ राइट अवे. सीएसके का 90% ऑफ द टीम सेम है, पर इस बार वो क्या अच्छा कर रही है लास्ट ईयर से? क्या वो सिर्फ यूएई से इंडिया में खेलने की वजह से हो रहा है कि क्या आपको लगता है?
तो मुझे लगता है अभी इंडिया में तो सबका एडवांटेज होता है, क्योंकि इंडिया है तो वाइब तो अलग ही होता है. एंड 90% टीम तो सेम ही है, पर मोइन अली जो ऐड हुआ है टीम में, आई थिंक ही इज गिविंग बूस्ट टू आवर टीम. वो लगातार रन स्कोर करते जा रहा है. जल्दी अगर विकेट किसी का चला जाए तो ही कम्स टू बैट एंड he just throws the ball to 6s, 4s, and he's just contributing to the scores, and he's keeping the team alive. So I guess the changes made a very big change in CSK, and now they are playing pretty good. After losing the first matches, they just bounced back and won the 3 matches in the same ground. So it's because of the both conditions, like same ground and the same team.
CSK have surely generated some hopes in the minds of CSK fans. That is what I would say. It was a fantastic round, guys. Thank you. The time has come now to move to the final round of the day, in which our panelists are going to help you a little to make your fantasy 11 team for tonight. The matches between CSK and RCB. So Sriraj, please explain your team. Your team is on your screen.
Yeah, so Srijit, this will be my team for today's match. So I have kept Glenn Maxwell as my captain because we all know he's in a good form for RCB. And Moeen Ali, the man in form for CSK, I have chosen him as my vice captain. And you can see Suresh Raina, and I have added a new player, Rutraj Gaikwad, into my squad because he has performed very well in previous match. And Mahendra Singh Dhoni is my personal choice and he's my captain. And yes, you can see the rest of my team.
Virat Kohli, Padikkal, and Glenn Maxwell, three unbelievable players for RCB that you have taken in your team, along with Mahendra Singh Dhoni, which is an interesting pick. It was a fantastic team. So Shantanu, we can see your team on our screens right now. Please explain your team.
Okay, so like I said, Virat Kohli performs well against CSK, so I have kept him as my captain. And Faf is an unbelievable player for me. He's one of the players which I personally like, so I have kept him as a vice captain. Then talking about Devdutt Padikkal's form, Rutraj Gaikwad's form, I have picked both of them. Glenn Maxwell, Moeen Ali, and Washington Sundar. All three of them being spinners. I have included them in my team. And Lungi Ngidi is the new pick. He has that knack to get wickets in the middle. And we all know how deadly Deepak Chahar has been in power play for 2 games. And last but not the least, it's Mohammad Siraj. We all know he can swing the ball if RCB wins the toss and decides to ball first. He'll have that good carry and he might get wickets, so I picked him. And AB is someone like who one would have in the team any day, so I want for AB de Villiers.
So upper order of the both teams will perform is what Shantanu thinks that I can see in his team. I'm sure our followers will have something to take away from this team. We have come to the end of the video. If you love what we do, please like, share, subscribe to our channel. The name of the channel is Soft Signal. Also comment down below your favorite picks. Follow us on Instagram. The details are given in the description of the video. Thank you so much for joining us every day, guys.